Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Keiron Hogg, and I'm going to show you in today's tutorial how you can make a simple intro just like the one that I made here, guys. So stay with me to the end. Won't take a lot of time, very easy. So let's take a look. First thing we want to do, guys, you want to go to Canva. All right, so this is what I made right here. So let me just start a new design here. So we want to create design, guys. So here is all my designs. I want to go to create a design, type in video and hit right here 1920 by 1080. That is the YouTube dimensions, guys. So the video that I just made, I do affiliate marketing. I also show people how to make some money online. Let me just show you one more time what it looks like here, guys. So if I just go to my previous one and I'll just show you product reviews, make money online tutorials, and my website. Now you notice something that is lacking in this. There is no audio. I will show you how to get free audio, and you can just set it up to whatever editing program that you want to use to match it up with your intro, okay? So let's get back to ours. Now I'm just going to use the exact same formula, same background, everything that for this tutorial that I just made just to show you. Okay, so my uploads, first thing you want to do, now you can just go to any color you want. If you want any kind of background here in Canva is okay. I uploaded a red image, so that was this one right here. So I'll just continue with this and I'm just going to drag it. And guys, my first text said product reviews. So what you would do, you would just go to text and you can put anything you want. I just typed in glow, but I actually took off the glow effect. So I just said product reviews. Now of course this is too big, so I just scaled it down and moved it around like that. Now we can make it as big as what we want. We can center it both horizontally and vertically, and if you want you can change the color. Pink on red doesn't really pop, so I picked white. But I also went here, guys, I went to effects and I put a shadow in there. So it got rid of the glow, but it added a shadow, and I just personally, my preference, I think that looks a little bit better. But you can play around with whatever style that you want, make it uniquely yours. Okay. So this is what it's looking like here, guys. And right now, this is a 5-second clip. So it's kind of like a PowerPoint that you're doing here, guys. So you don't want your intro to be too long, otherwise the audience is going to get bored, right? So I would say maybe, I think I made mine 2 seconds. So I would just go to here. Oops. Close. Excuse me. I want to go to here. I want to double click on that and I'll just put in 2.0. Yes. Now what I want to do, I want to go here. We go, guys. This is how we duplicate page. Okay, beautiful. So I'm going to get rid of this one. I don't want this, so I'm just going to delete that. Now you can put whatever you want here. So I put in product reviews and I said make money online tutorials, like that. And again, I can center that and I want it to be 2 seconds again. Perfect. And then I can duplicate that. And I would say you don't really want to go above 6 seconds. So I'm going to do another one for 2 minutes, 2 seconds here, guys. And then what I did, I just put a photo of myself and I put my website down below. Okay, so you can do whatever you want, you guys. I'm going to delete this one though because website is lowercase. So I like to do this one. And I'm just going to ungroup this, delete, and I'm going to just put in Keiron. Hogg.com. That is my website. Now G is my middle initial, so what I did there, I just made it yellow because a lot of people might miss that and just type in Keiron Hogg. and not even know that they missed my middle initials. So that's why I put that in there. And you guys, what I did, I put in an element for my photo. I put in, I think I just put in a circle here like that. And my upload, I uploaded this picture and I did not want all of it up there, and I didn't really want my thumb in there either, guys. So I just put that in there like that. Raise that up a little bit, raise that up, and that is perfectly good. So let's take a look here. Product reviews, make money online tutorials, KeironGHogg.com. Okay, so I'm gonna download this. And if you wanted to do more, you can, guys. So look, if I just go, there are different elements here. You can do, let's see. If I type in, well, let me just show you some of the features here for the elements. Graphics. Okay, so for graphics, look guys, you can have things moving. All right, so you can go filters, you can do square, vertical, horizontal, animated, guys. So let's type in animated, apply filters. So if I wanted something animated here, I could just put that in like so, and it would jump up like that. Or if I wanted something else, it's got a bunch. So you can add some different elements if you want, just to have a little bit of fun. And I'll leave that in there for this, okay? And you can put, maybe there's a video. Now a lot of the videos are, you have to pay for the pro, but maybe there's other things. You can put in some different photos, some audio. Now guys, most of the audio is paid. You have to pay for the pro for that. So if I just play my audio one more time for you. All right, so I'll show you how I did that, guys. So I went to YouTube and I just typed in 5-second instrumental. Now I wanted funky music. It can be anything that you like. And what I found was, this was one of the first ones that popped up. So I just went in search, and I thought the beginning was pretty good, but I liked a few seconds afterwards even more. So here it is. This is what I liked. See, it gets really going, but you don't want it, you don't really want to be spending too long on it. You just want to have a little bit of a nice pop and then be done. So that one with a bang like that. So what I did, guys, I found the one that I like. Now you would just type in anything you want, and then I would say no copyright when you do it. Also, another way around this, guys, is you can do another little trick here. So you can go to filters here and you can click on Creative Commons. Now guys, up in the cards here, I'm going to leave a video that shows you how you can legally download music from YouTube very easily, guys. I'll put that in the end of my video as well that you can check out. So you just go to Creative Commons, so it's easy. And then what I did was, anyways, I'll just, yeah, you can check out the other video to see the process of that. All right, guys, so as you can see, pretty easy. All right, only took a few minutes. All right, one thing I want to show you though, I overlooked when I was teaching you this. When you go to your, now when you go to your text, you can animate your text and you can put effects on your text as well. So if I go to animate, I can see all these little different animations here, guys. So they can do whatever you want to do. All of these ones are free as well. So you can do breathe, fade, pan, skate, etc. So you can have fun with it. I just went to ascend. I think I did that for every one actually. I might have gone down for one of them. Anyways, have fun. Make it unique for yourself, and that is about all you need to do, guys, to get going. So if you want to watch this again, please do, and it'll make more sense because I kind of jumped around, guys. Sorry about that, but my brain was in another spot there. I was already thinking about teaching you how to do the audio part, but I think just easier just to watch my YouTube legally download music. Okay, so guys, that is how you're going to make a perfectly good intro, and you can also do that with your outro as well, or you can also do this for chapters if you're talking about different things in your video. You can make cool little edits to really make the audience just more engaged, have more fun, and just help your flow of the video, guys. So hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please like, subscribe, comment, guys. I'm always putting out new tutorials about little hacks, maybe using Canva or other ways to make money online. So this is what brings me to my final part here, guys. If I just go to Fiverr.com, and if I type in video intro, you're gonna see that you can start creating your own service online, because a lot of these guys are making $15, $10, $15, $15, $5, $5, $40, $30. Now, of course, the people that are charging more, they probably have some more experience, maybe better software. Maybe they went for example, the premium, the pro version of Canva, where they get a few more options. But look, guys, some people only want something just to get them started, $5, $10. And if you can do this, you'll get faster at it, and you can start making some cool little passive income on the side. When I first started my own YouTube channel, I paid somebody on Fiverr for it. I think I paid $10. And if I had known what this could do, this tutorial, I wouldn't have paid. I just would have created my own. So in the beginning, when you don't know how to do this, when other people don't know how to do this, they're going to be looking for this kind of service, and this is how you can help them, and you can make money at the same time. So just getting back to what I was originally saying, I'm always putting out different kinds of content on how to make money online, and of course affiliate marketing, guys. I'm doing a lot of that. And if you want to know how to make money online, please check out my website, KeironGHogg.com. There's all kinds of free information there. Also, guys, there is, if you want to find out how to make $10,000 in 22 days, there is a link that you can click on that, and you can get all kinds of great information. All right, you guys, thank you for your time. Keiron Guy Hogg, and stay in touch with more tutorials and hacks on how to make money online. Take care. Bye-bye.